You're doing BLIS course in IGNOU and you don't know what to do, how to do. You never attended the online classes in IGNOU and now you're stuck on the last minute for the practicals. So I got you. So you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to look in several videos, chat GTP, anything. I have done all that headache works and now I'm here with all the details in this 5-minute video. So today we are doing the first question. It carries 35 marks, this paper, so we can't ignore any of the questions. We'll start without wasting any time. We'll download this. If you want the link for this app, you have to download this. There is no other way. You have to download this. If you want the link, just go to my description. You'll get it. Download it and you can see over there it started downloading. I have already downloaded it for showing you guys. I have downloaded it again. So yeah, let me show you. Just go to your folders, double click it. It will ask for installation and the basic process, and when you do the process it will, I have already installed it, so it's just a basic process. You have to go and install it. There is nothing big task about it, and once you finish downloading it, okay, it will come to your home screen. Okay, you can see over here, this is the home screen. It's in the home screen. Double click it, it will open. Okay, and I'll show you. I have started the project, so I'll show you in the fresh page. This is the things, everything you have. It is as similar as MS Word, so don't worry, nothing is new, and all these things, Word, spreadsheet, PowerPoint, everything is over there. And this is the spreadsheet, like you can open it directly from there. You don't have to go to other apps. So this far I have already done, and little bit is remaining. Like you have to give this details. Okay, I'll show you. You have to give a little bit intro of your library and how many book it collects, whatever book it collects, and the staffs working over there. That's all. Clear view. Okay, now we are going to save it. Okay, see, we have to save it as PDF, but it is not showing save as PDF option over here. So we have to save it as ODF file over here, and just see where you're saving. Like later you have to search for the file, so don't do that. Just see where is the location you're saving. So we don't have a PDF option here, so we saved it, and here it is, it got saved. We'll open it in the Word file. Okay, see, you can see over here ODT. Okay, so we don't want like this, so we have to open it in Word file. We'll go in the files, we'll open it as Word. Okay, as read only mode, whatever it is, and then we have to save it as PDF. So from Word we can do that. Go to save as. Okay, you have to go to save as, and then you can see here in the option you will get PDF. Okay, so it can be saved as PDF now. Just save it and your work is done. Just check it once how it is looking. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot if you want the details. Don't copy it, just try new things. Comment down if you have any doubt, and subscribe my channel because I'm gonna post all the answers in my channel in the upcoming videos. Bye.